Thank you. I've always felt the 60s was where America went off the rails. And of course, Roe v. Wade wasn't decided in exactly the 60s, but the 60s really, I think, began with the assassination of President Kennedy. You could say the end of that disastrous decade was January 22nd, 1973, where the Supreme Court decided that abortion was legal in the United States of America. Just a disaster. Since then, 63 million unborn children have died in every state. 10 years before that, abortion would have been considered illegal. All churches would have been appalled by it, and all Americans knew it was just a horrible thing. But then, in an example of out-of-control judiciary, probably the most extreme example in our country, the U.S. Supreme Court came in and began a reign in which 63 million unborn children have lost their lives. The U.S. is one of 7 countries where late-term abortions are legal. We stand with Vietnam, North Korea, Red China, together with Singapore, Canada, and Netherlands. But one of the few countries in the world, after all God has given us, that we decide to step up and say it's appropriate to kill a child right up to birth. So in any event, today we mourn the anniversary of Roe v. Wade. We look forward to leaving this chamber and marching in the March for Life, as we hope that this is finally, given that there's an important Supreme Court decision coming down, finally the end, or the beginning of the end, of this ongoing slaughter of the innocents in the United States. Thank you.
Thank you, Glenn. Thanks for reminding us that the Chinese Communist Party and North Korea both have policies just like ours, especially as it relates to up-to-birth abortion.